We're fishing for solutions, you know, just fishing. And then, we go around and we try to twist around, and then we're fishing for better solutions. See the helicopter? There's a sky hook, trying to get these two technologies to work together. And we're fishing for solutions, and, diplomatic reasoning. So we had a diplomatic service manual, and it said educational manual. Yeah, manual. So we take an A out, we put the E in there for education. We think angelic education, alien education, American education. We say Emmanuel, Emmanuel. You see, Emmanual. And we take the E out, we make it a mystery. We say man, universal educational love, love of valuable education. We say Emmanuel. Diagnostic and Statistical Manual of Mental Disorders, because some people, they need a medical doctor because of all the violence. So we go, what do we do about that? We said, well, if we could make a diplomatic man, maybe an flight school, to raise people with clean heart, clean mind, the Green New Deal, mankind's angels, mankind's aliens, a major association for the best party ever, for the grand old party, for the good of people. Your guests will still be raving this time next year. That's the power of flight school, Top Gun flight school. It's amazing fun for ages 3 to 103. Corporate outings, birthdays, and more. You want a pizza party, man? Let's see if we can land and get our hooks into that. Now I'll tell you about the secrets of Top Gun, a naval aircraft carrier. It's a little hook. So we'll get a big hook in it this time. Okay? Indoor skydiving. Look, martial arts, man. More than just teaching. We're going to teach people about flight and physics. Now, what's a sky hook, man? Well, the space shuttle come down. Hey, you got anything that these wings can hook, man? Can these wings hook anything? I don't know. How big the wings, Well, we got this little wire here, man. It doesn't work a whole lot on really humid days, because a lot of interference is interfering with the stuff, with the radio communication of radio waves that are radiating from the ground, from the moisture underneath where you find underwater streams and stuff. And we go, man, well, we all got a little sideways, Well, it's biblical participation education, the biggest party ever. Go, man, well, if we look at it the right way, we can educate people's belief. Establish a reserve teaching you very educational responsibility. Why? Because with the correct, alternative fuels, man, it's dangerous. So we have to have a good pizza party, delivering responsibility. And we go, man, you could teach like that? Well, it's mission transition, mission transmission, mission transmitting, mission transitioning into teaching mankind, extraterrestrial teaching, It's teaching education with, the enlightenment. And we go, what's the enlightenment? Well, it's enlightening how these particles could work together. So, man, if I could get my hook into that, I'm going to show you what this wire does, and it's a big hook, big hook for teaching. And I'll show you this wire, It's like, did you guys get that cable from the sky? Is it a cable from the sky? See if I can get that hooked on there just right with the atmosphere. We get a wave of communication, And we go, okay, I tell you what, we redesign some of this and some of that and put it together. Man, it'd be some really cool stuff. Better together. Teaching biblical proportions, enlightening, valuable education. Valuable education. Valuable education. Remember, people, aliens, people, angels, people, American. You know? Remember, trust your biblical educators, saving, transitioning, saving, transmission, savior, transmissions, mission, transmission, satellite, teaching, systems, STS, Star Trek, systems, STS, save the systems, the good teachers, the good doctors, save the saviors. Future savior, future savior, valuable savior. I don't know if that hook is big enough. Valuable defender and savior. Valuable, you know, valuable, 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 valuable. Important, but we rather have valuable education informing, you know, the good doctors, reviving, diplomatic revivals. So we could put that away and transform.